Hey everyone, Robyn from Autogeek. Today I'm joined by Jason Rose from RUPES, and we're going to talk about a redesign of one of your product lines, the microfiber pads. So tell me, what's the redesign? What changed?
Well, our current microfiber pads, which RUPES has had out for several years, they're probably the most aggressive in the marketplace, and it's due to this firm substrate. You feel how firm that is. So the energy of the tool gets really transferred through to the paint. And these, really go after defects. They're very, very firm. So one of the things that they don't do well is contour, to curves and contours and, shapes and panels on cars and boats. So one of the things that this is lacking is actually built into our new version, which, as you can feel there, it's very, very flexible. So these will contour better over surfaces.
Okay.
Another reason for the redesign was just to update to current technology, because these pads have been out for 10 years. So the new microfiber pads have a new microfiber fabric. They have new foam interfaces and a new shape. It's a different profile. So we're just kind of an update, make it perform a little better.
Okay. And so different sizes?
Yeah, what we have shown here is the 3-inch for the mini tools and the 5-inch for 15 and the Duetto. We also have diameters for the 21 millimeter tool as well. They're not shown here, but we do have them.
Okay, and let's talk about the 3 different colors.
Yeah, so these are 3 different levels of aggressiveness. Anybody familiar with the RUPES pad line, our color system like blue, yellow, and white. So this is consistent with that. Blue representing the most aggressive version, and then yellow, medium or fine, and white would be ultra fine for fine finishing.
And if I have microfiber in my arsenal, when would be the time that I'd pull it out to use it?
Yeah, so there's 3 different materials, as you know, for polishing on paint or boats, and that is foam pads, and then there are wool pads, and then there's a category called microfiber pads. Microfiber, because of its synthetic filament, is positioned for hard surface. So any paint that's hard, any boat that has hard gel coat or glass or countertop or any hard surface, that is where microfiber does really well.
Great. Okay. Well, thanks for all that information. If you have questions about these products and more, you can visit autogeek.com.